Welcome to Ginza. Ginza is a district that is full of shopping and entertainment. We're going to go take a look at a kabuki theater as well. So let's see what we can find in Ginza. Definitely need to find some lunch. That's the Kabuki Theater. We don't have time for a show, which is sad, but it's right there. So if you have time, you can come on down here and catch a show. I'll get a better view when we cross the street. Just found a pretty good gift shop of sorts. It's more like a market, but underneath the Kabuki Theater, B2F is where the shop is at. If you take the subway to Ginza, you're going to end up right there, which is right across the street from the Kabuki Theater. So it's a great landmark for you to use to find the subway and to come right out of and find what you need to do. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that amazing? That's a good photo. That completes our time at the Tsukiji and Ginza stop on the hop-on, hop-off bus. We had about 40 minutes to walk up and down, get some food and stuff. So pretty good time to get some food and get a little acclimated to the culture, but not enough time to go cruising around everywhere I probably should or would want to go to.